Yes, students, see this question. We have a weight that is attached to the free end of a sonometer wire. Resonance occurs at a length of 40 centimeter of the wire with a tuning fork of frequency 512 Hz. The weight is then immersed fully in water. The resonant length is reduced to 30 centimeter. The relative density of the weight is what? Okay. So here are your two cases. In both the cases, you have the same tuning fork creating the same frequency. But here the length of the string is 40 centimeter while here the length of the string is 30 centimeter because the block is now submerged in water. Okay. So we just have to compare the tensions in the two cases and we will get the answer. If you draw the FBD in the first case, tension T1 is acting upwards and mg is acting downwards. So tension T1 is equal to mg obviously. And we can write the formula for fundamental frequency. So for fundamental frequency f will be equal to v by 2l1 v1 by 2l1, so that will be equal to 1 by 2l1 root of t1 by mu, right? In the second case, what you are getting? In the second case, tension T2 is acting upwards, but at the same time now you have buoyant force. So buoyant force is equal to how much? That will be equal to density of water multiplied by volume of block multiplied by g. And this could be written again as volume of block into g will be equal to what? Or simply volume of block will be what? Mass of the block divided by density of the block and then multiplied by g. And we again have mg acting downwards. So now your tension T2 is equal to mg minus buoyant force. So for the second case, your resonant frequency will be again V2 by 2L2. So that is 1 by 2L2 root of T2 by mu. Since the frequency is same in both because we are using the same tuning fork. So what you are getting, you equate both of them. So you'll get 1 by 2L1 root T1 by mu equal to 1 by 2L2 root T2 by mu. So 2 and mu will cancel out and we square the equation. So T1 by L1 square equal to T2 by L2 square. Now T1 is what? Mg. So Mg and L1 is what? 40 is equal to T2 is what? Mg minus buoyant force. Buoyant force is what? Density of water by density of object into Mg divided by 30 square. So you will get this to be equal to 9 by 16 will be equal to 1 minus rho W by rho. Or you will get over here rho by rho W will be equal to 16 divided by 7. And this is your relative density. So option B.